Hi everyone, today I wanted to share with our new successful project of the solar system installation for hundreds of IT school buildings in the Philippines. The system was consisted with our Meritsun 10 kWh Powerwall Lifepo4 battery and a 48 volt 5 kW hybrid off-grid inverter and solar PV mode. The IT school solar project is excellence powering with Meritsun Powerwall Lifepo4 battery. It's premium quality and looks pretty elegant. We will have more projects with a Meritsun listing battery in the near future. Thanks for our various clients' feedback. We are always honored to providing the powerful Powerwall Lifepo4 battery to people all around the world. The Meritsun Powerwall battery is an ideal energy storage solution for the off-grid or hybrid on off-grid solar installations. Also can reduce your electricity cost at the peak times. The Powerwall batteries can be used anytime you want, which is to stop the clean energy with safety, reliable and renewable powers. Easy to integrate with the solar or for independent operation to deliver the powers to your solar energy system at day or night. We Meritsun are best listing Lifepo4 battery supplier for energy storage solar systems, which focus on the research and developments on high-tech green lithium battery industry. Meritsun produce various different types of the lithium batteries expanded to use for the solar energy system, telecom station, energy industry like the data centers, bank, farm, school, etc. What's more, Meritsun Powerwall battery is a modern and compact design with super easy installation on wall-mounted, workable indoor or outdoor without taking up much space. The battery is built in the patent's house-made battery management system, an intelligent LCD screen that integrates and displays multi-level features for excellent performance, including overcharge, over-discharge, and overcurrent protection. Each cell's balancing. Meritsun Powerwall Lifepo4 battery has the advanced RS-232 and RS-485 communication and monitoring functions via PC as well, which becomes the safety energy power and is manufactured to the highest standards in the battery industry. With Meritsun Powerwall battery, you are assured the energy security and have a clean energy lifestyle. Okay guys, if you like our videos, please follow us and give us a thumbs up. I will see you next time. Bye.